Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make Vietnamese chicken curry. Ingredients that you need are chicken, I'm using drumsticks, carrots, potatoes, onion, ginger, garlic, minced lemongrass, coconut milk, this curry powder, sugar, salt, black pepper, and fish sauce. I'm going to be cutting my drumsticks in half because I like the pieces to be smaller, but you can leave it as is if you like. Go ahead and mince your garlic. I'm using a chopper and then adding it to the bowl of chicken. Next, peel, cut, and mince your ginger and then add it to the same bowl with the chicken and garlic. Add about 4 to 5 tablespoons of lemongrass, 4 to 5 tablespoons of the curry powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, a dash of black pepper, and about 5 tablespoons of fish sauce. Now mix everything together, making sure everything is coated evenly. I'm using my hands to make it easier. Cover and set in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables. Go ahead and chop your onions, peel and dice your carrots, peel your potatoes and cut into smaller pieces. In a frying pan, add some oil and you're going to fry your potatoes until golden brown on both sides. When the potatoes are finished, remove from heat and then add some more oil and then start cooking your carrots. When those are done, go ahead and place on a paper towel so that you can drain the excess oil. In a large pot, add some oil. Go ahead and saute your onions until they're translucent. Then add in your chicken and cook for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is no longer pink. Next, add in a can of coconut milk and a can of water. You can also use chicken broth if you would like. Add in the cooked potatoes and carrots. Bring to a boil and then cook for another 30 minutes or until the chicken is tender. Make sure you do a taste test and add any additional seasonings to your liking. Now you're ready to plate. Go ahead and serve with some baguette bread or a side of white rice. Enjoy!